Hello, everyone. My name is Alexis Crook. I am a customer success manager here at Prosymmetry. In today's video, I'm going to be showing the new functionality to upload and access documents within Tempus Resource. You have the ability to now upload and access documents within both projects and resources. And I'm going to walk through a few of those different places that you can see these documents. So specifically within projects, you can upload files within your attribute screen. You can upload files within a workflow, and then there is also a file management dropdown that I will show. And then in resources, you can again upload files via attribute management. And again, I will show that dropdown menu as well. All right, starting here, I'm going to navigate to resource management. And I am going to navigate to a resources attribute screen. So down here at the bottom, I have chosen to, okay, well, let me start that part over. All right, before I navigate to the attribute screen of both projects and resources, I'm going to show within admin settings and attribute management. I'm going to navigate to attribute layout. You now have the ability to insert an area for a file. So right now I'm within the project attribute screen, and I have chosen to pull in the ability to insert a file down at the bottom. And you can do the same thing for resources. So now navigating back to my home page, I'm going to navigate to resource management, an individual resource, and head over to their attributes screen. As you can see here, you now have the ability to upload a file. Again, based on that attribute management tile that I showed just a minute ago, you can upload a file within here. Another place that you can see your files, if I click on this dropdown here, I've got a new tile or dropdown that says File Management. This will show any files that you have uploaded into this individual resource. Navigating back home into Project Management, projects look very similar here. If I head into a project, I've got my attributes screen, which also now has the ability to upload a file down here at the bottom. I've got my file management drop down as well. Similar view to your resources, you can create those folders and you can upload files within here as well and see some of that file information. And then lastly, as this is a workflow project, you have the ability to now add the option to add files within a workflow as well. So in this first state here, the initiation state, I can upload a file. Simple as that. If you have any questions, please let us know. We are happy to help. Have a good one.